so for another example, we have number 4. Let's try this example. 5x minus 3 squared equals negative 32. So we have to take the root of these terms. So 5x squared equals negative 32. Taking the roots, so this becomes 5x minus 3 equals positive or negative square root of 32. Sunod, what's the next thing to do? So, tanggalo na to si 3 para 5x ra kan ang mabilin. Dili man pwede na kaning 5 ang may ato tanggalon, di ba? Kaya naaman ang x, ang value man sa x ang ato kuhaon. So, we are going to use addition property of equality. 5x minus 3 plus 3 equals positive and negative square root of negative 32 plus 3. So, 3 minus 3 or negative 3 plus 3, that becomes 0. So, ang bilin rakan is 5x. And on the right side, we have positive and negative square root of negative 32 plus 3. Divide na pud nato ng 5 by 5 para si x rakan ang mabilin. So in here, the value of our x, that is positive and negative square root of 32 plus 3 over 5. Now, pwede pa ba masimplify? Pwede pa or dili na? May factor ni 32. What's the factor of 32? Ala? 32 times 1. What else? Factor ng 32. 32 divided by 2. We could have 16 times 2. Sakto? So, among these factors, haiman ang factor na may perfect square. That is 16 and 2. So, we have in here, x is equal to positive. So, since negative 1 na siya, ang isa ka factor is positive, ang isa is negative. We have 16 times negative 2 plus 3 all over 5. We have x. Now, ang 16 kay perfect square man na, ang root ng 16 is 4. So, we have positive and negative 4. Square root of negative 2 plus 3 all over 5. So, that is the value of our x. So, we'll resolve some quadratic equations by factoring. So, we are given with the equation x squared minus 7x equals 0. So, how do we solve this equation? So, on the left side, we have x squared minus 7, and on the right side, we have 0. So, obviously, ang 0, ang factor ng 0 is 0 times 0. So, that is unnecessary. Now, we only have to solve the equation on the left side, which is x squared minus 7x. So, what is the factor of this expression or these terms? So, we have x squared minus 7x. Unsay factor nila? Kadali ra, ako bisita.